Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations. Here we have this beautiful woman going from long hair to gorgeous lob haircuts, and then we see someone with curly hair getting her hair cut into this beautiful pixie style. Gorgeous choppy layers through to the back. Beautiful baby bangs, absolutely stunning pixie haircuts. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone getting this beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. She ended up getting a beautiful classic cascading bob. Beautiful shape and texture with that one. And then we see someone with pretty long hair, I'd say about mid-length, and she ended up cutting her hair into a beautiful bob. Another gorgeous classic bob haircut. And then we see someone shake things up with the shaggy style. Loving the color mix within this one. Absolutely gorgeous texture throughout. This is a truly modern and chic way to rock your hair. So here she is getting the color done. This is also known as the wolf cut, which is why they showed that wolf there at the end. So then we have someone getting a beautiful long bob haircut style. Curtain bangs in the front to help frame the face, adding some texture and layers throughout. Then we see this beautiful color and haircut transformation, followed by someone who has gorgeous dark copper hair. And she also decided to switch it up with this beautiful lob haircut. Next up, we see someone trying out the layered hair trend. Followed by another bob haircut. And she has a beautiful cascading bob with this one. Gorgeous salt and pepper hair color. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.